Good evening, students. Students, today now we are going to discuss method of preparation of alcohols. Student, you know alcohol nowadays become very important compound. Now sanitizer, the government is saying that there must be 70% alcohol in sanitizer. What is the property of alcohol? Actually, alcohols are highly volatile substance, that is chemical compound. So when we use it with sanitizer, it gets evaporate due to high volatility, and therefore it and the chemical present in sanitizer and itself alcohol, it also act as disinfectant. Therefore, these become what? Sanitizer. So nowadays there are lot of demand of alcohol, and therefore we must know the method of preparation of alcohol. The first method is from alkenes. Alkenes, that is, these are what? Unsaturated compound. Unsaturated and highly reacted compound. So the method is number A, by the acidified addition of water. This is called simply what? Hydration. What? Hydration. Okay, like alkene, any of the alkene, if you took very simple alkene, this is what? Ethene. And when it reacted with water, HOH, in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, it forms alcohol. This is what? Alcohol. And this is what? Very simple alkene. We are taking the example here, what? Ethene. So when ethene or any of the alkene is hydrated in the presence of concentrated H2SO4, it forms what? Alcohol. Actually, the preparation is indirect method, that is addition of water takes place what? Indirectly. It takes place through the H2SO4, like how it is C2H5OH. Suppose this is, we are taking very simple alcohol. What? Very simple alkene. What? C2H4. This is what? Ethene. Plus we are reacting it with H2SO4. Actually H2SO4, it produces what? HSO4. So in the reaction first it forms C2H4SO4H. Okay, and that compound after hydration, that is addition of water, it forms C2H5OH plus again it gives H2SO4. Getting? So this is actually what? The indirect method of preparation of alcohol. Getting? So I am giving you reaction in the writing. Here I am explaining how the reaction is going on with the help of equations only. Okay, the reaction will be given in the notes. Okay, now student, you know that in 12th class the most important thing is what? Mechanism, that is how the reaction takes place. So actually the addition of water in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 takes place in three steps. Step number A, this is protonation of water. Why beta? Actually water directly do not react because it is what? Almost neutral compound, therefore it is protonated by what? Acid. What? H2SO4, on ionization it gives H cation plus HSO4 anion. So this is called what? Proton. Getting? And protonation of water means what? Means this is what? OH, that is water. You can see two lone pair electrons are there, and there is what? H cation. This is what? Proton. So it is electron deficient and it is electron rich. This is electron efficient. So it donates lone pair hydrogen cation. Therefore, it forms OH, that is H3O. Now there will be only one lone pair with what? Positive charge. This is called hydronium ion. So first the water is getting protonated and forming what? Hydronium ion. This hydronium ion is highly reactive. Now it takes part in chemical reaction, that is in the next step, attack of hydronium ion on what? Alkene. This time I am taking the example of ethyl. Therefore you can call it what? Ethyl. Okay. Now how it takes place? It takes place like I can write CH2. Okay. This is simple what? Ethyl. Plus hydronium ion. Hydronium ion, that is this one, OH and H. Look at here, in water there will be only one lone pair remaining because one of the lone pair is donated to hydrogen cation. Therefore there is what? Plus charge. Means it becomes highly reactive. Now there is a bond pair between O and H. So this bond pair is again gained by what? Hydronium ion, and therefore now the H is able to attack on double bond, that is this compound, and therefore there is the formation of see H here. It is getting attacked here. Okay, and if the H is getting attacked here, now the carbon become electron deficient. Therefore we are calling plus charge. This is called what? Carb cation. Are you getting? Now what about here? The water will remove and will again have two lone pair, that is stable, but now this become what? Unstable. This is what? Carb cation. And now in the third step, attack of carb cation. Okay, attack of carb cation with what? H2O. H2O, this is called nucleophile. Why it is called nucleophile? Because two lone pair are there. Therefore this process is known as nucleophilic attack. Now on carb cation. Where? On carb cation. So carb cation, here is a carb cation CH3 CH2, and this is plus charge plus OH2. This is what? Water having what? Two lone pair. So it is electron rich, it is electron deficient, so it will attack on carbon. Therefore there will be the formation of protonated alkene, or you can say protonated alcohol. Protonated alcohol means here it is getting attacked here. Therefore now again there will be one lone pair and a plus charge. This is called protonated alcohol. Okay, and in the final step, this is called deprotonation. Okay, to form alcohol. Okay, CH3 CH2 O H and H. It has one lone pair and it is electron deficient. Therefore now the electron pair of OH bond is again gained by what? Oxygen. Therefore now there is a final compound CH3 CH2 OH, and the catalyst removed in the form of H cation. So this is the final product. This is what? Alcohol. Thank you.